Welcome back to the channel. We are still loving our 2021 Honda CRF125FB dirt bike, but we did recently inflict the first damage to this bike, and it's right here. My teenage son, who loves to ride this bike, was out riding with some friends, laid the bike down and it broke the clutch lever, and so we ordered a new clutch lever from Rocky Mountain ATV, and we are going to install that today. Step number one, we need to pull back this protective cover. It's pretty easy. We'll just slide it back out of the way and give ourselves some room. There it is. TUSK clutch lever polished. Let's see how it fits on the bike. Using a 10mm end wrench and a 10mm socket, we are going to remove this bolt that holds the clutch lever in place. And that is all that remains of the original clutch lever. Before we put it all back together with the new clutch lever, I'm going to put just a little bit of grease here and on this bolt to lubricate that clutch mechanism as it goes back together. So we are going to slip this up inside of here like this, and then I can just turn the lever around and slide it into place, and it's now ready to operate. There's just a little bit of looseness right here, and we've been riding the bike for a year, so I'm going to go ahead and snug this up just a hair. This will be the first time we've adjusted the clutch on this bike, and so I'll make that adjustment right now to take out that play. That feels pretty good right there. Cover that back up. Now that's amazing. Honestly, it's as though it had never happened. That looks and feels like the original Honda clutch lever. So good job to Rocky Mountain ATV and TUSK for producing a part that perfectly replaces what we broke.